One of the most convenient features Content Samurai has is called Auto Voice. It includes 14 artificially intelligent voices that automatically convert text to speech. Now you can literally go from script to finished video with just a few clicks of your mouse. There might be several reasons for using Auto Voice. It's very handy if English is not your first language. Secondly, it's an ideal tool to speed up your content creation process. With Auto Voice, you don't have to bother about background noises or poor microphone settings. Auto Voice function converts your text to speech using artificial intelligence. You can select male or female voice from a list which includes several voices covering USA, UK and Australia. The script is automatically broken up into small parts, which makes it very easy to record. At first, select an automated voice style for your video. Click Play Sample to choose the right voice style. Hit the button, preview your video, and wait a few seconds while scene timing is created. If you wish, you can also record your own voice track. Just hit the record button and wait for the countdown, then read your text. When you are done, click the stop button, and start recording your next sentence. That's it. Alternatively, you can also upload a special voice track. Yes. You can ask someone else to record the text for you. Content Samurai uses artificial intelligence to read your script and automatically adapt it to Auto Voice. You can also choose the background music according to your taste. Content Samurai Auto Voice feature is super easy and it really takes just a few minutes to add the voice to your video.